Hey guys! Oh my gosh, so we decided to come outside only because we're stupid and we didn't actually buy any food for this snowstorm because we didn't believe it was gonna be like a real blizzard. There's like a state of emergency right now in New York, so we're gonna go see if the supermarket is open. Yikes. We're dumb. We're dumb.
It's fun.
Oh gosh, let's go, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? We're getting a pretty lazy start today. I don't know, it's about brunch time. I just snapped up and I was like, you know what? We're wasting a day. Get up, let's stop. We're not gonna waste the rest of this day. So he's gonna go and get us some coffee. I'm gonna go make us some brunch and we're gonna get things popping. After that, we'll probably do some work. He's gonna do some schoolwork. I'm gonna do some craft work, probably start another book, do some editing, and then we'll see what happens. Gluten-free toast. You guys, it actually tastes really good, I swear. I swear. So good. The glutino seeded bread. We just finished eating. Look at this trash right here. We're trash. And then like, Sebastian got a scratch off because, you know, hey, you never know. It was a bad joke.
So this is a classwork I'm going to be working on. Each month they give us a model. For this particular month, we're doing what's called character rigging. I'm basically building the bones for this character so that this way when they give it to an animator, they can move him. Right now, he has like nothing in there. When you do the rigging, you'll actually see things that you can actually pull the points for this character to like move his elbow, the head, eyes. Yeah, this is the beginning stage and this is what the model looks like in Maya. So I'm heading down to Drink and Draw right now to see. I'm waiting for the train to get here.
Hey guys, we just got home from Drink and Draw. It was a lot of fun. You had fun?
Yeah, I got to see Alex from Favorite Raven, Javier, Behind the Reason Smile, and Ashley.
And Ashley, my friend Ashley came and joined us.
Great way to start the new year with some figure drawing. It was a nice little change for during the week because, you know, sometimes you just really work hard during the week and it was kind of like a nice way to break up that week. Something different, you know.
My drawing abilities have not improved, but it was still fun nonetheless. So, and it's always fun to like meet new people and hang out and stuff like that.
Well, I think it's good though. You take, you know, what's cool about Drink and Draw, you live in New York, it's like every second Wednesday of the month. It's great for figure drawing. They have like a model there and you'll learn. So you keep going, you learn.
It's the 6 train, we had to actually take it to the last stop and stay on it for it to come back around to go up. So it went around and it passed the old City Hall station, which is now closed. So it was pretty cool to see that. All right, we're gonna call it a night.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you guys later. Bye.